Hi everyone. Today I have some pens here, and these pens are all different colors. So let's count and see how many pens are here. So how many pens are here? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 pens here, and they are all different colors. So what colors are these pens? Well, this one is pink. It's like bright or hot pink. So this pen is pink, and then this one is orange. So I can color in orange with it. So this is an orange pen. And then we have red. This one is red. This one is purple. This one is yellow. This one is light brown or brown, and this one is dark brown. And this one is light green, and this one is dark green, and this one is light blue, and this one is dark blue, and then this one is black. And I like black. Look, my shirt, this t-shirt is black, but my favorite color is blue. And here there is light blue and dark blue. So my favorite color is blue, and I like light blue and dark blue, but I especially like dark blue. So this is my favorite color. So this shade of blue is my favorite color. And when I buy things, if I can choose something in blue, I will choose blue because blue is my favorite color. So for example, this is a hard drive. This is my hard drive. I plug it into my computer, so it's an external hard drive for my computer, and you can see it's blue. So this is a 1 gigabyte hard drive for my computer. It holds 1 gigabyte. And when I bought it, there were 4 different colors. So they had it in red, they had it in blue like this, and they had it in black, and they had it in white. So there were 4 colors to choose from. There was black, white, red, and blue. And of course, my favorite color is blue, so I chose blue. So this is a 1 gigabyte external hard drive, and it is blue on the outside. So this is blue. And I have many other things that are blue. For example, these are my earbuds. So these are my earbuds, and I can plug it into my phone, or I can plug it into an MP3 player, or I can plug them into my computer. And so these are my earbuds, and I can listen to music with them, or I can also talk. It has a microphone, so I can make phone calls with them. I can talk into the microphone and listen with the earbuds. So these are my blue earbuds or headset to use with my phone. And also I have, for example, this is a safety razor. So I use this razor to shave, and it is black and it has a blue handle. So the handle for this razor, for this safety razor, is blue. So I use this to shave. And this is a toothbrush. This is my toothbrush. And you can see it has blue on the handle, and it has some blue bristles. So the handle is white and blue, and the bristles are yellow and white and blue. So I chose this toothbrush because it has some blue on it. It has blue on the handle, and it has some blue bristles. So that's my toothbrush. I use this to brush my teeth, of course. And also here I have, this is a mug. This is a plastic mug. But I don't drink from this mug. I use this mug to hold pens and pencils. So here's a pencil, here's a pen, here's another pen. So these are things that I write with. So This is a plastic mug that I use to hold pens and pencils. And of course, it is also blue. And also, what are some other things that are blue that I have? Oh, here is a binder. This binder is blue, and I use a binder to hold different papers and things. So this binder is blue. I also have this. This is a dishwashing pad. So this dishwashing pad is blue, and I use it to wash dishes. I use it to wash things, wash dishes like this bowl. So I can put soap and water and use this to scrub dishes like this bowl. So this is a blue dishwashing pad. What else do I have that's blue? Oh, I have many clothes that are blue. So I like black and I like blue, and blue is my favorite color. So I have many clothes that are black or blue. So this t-shirt is black. I have many black t-shirts, and I also have many clothes that are blue, like these blue jeans. So this is a pair of blue jeans, and it's hanging from a blue coat hanger. So I even have blue coat hangers. So this is a pair of blue jeans, and I also have a blue shirt. It's a short-sleeved shirt. You can see the sleeves are short, and so it has short sleeves, and it is dark blue. There's a pocket on the front, on the left side here, and this has buttons. It buttons up on the front, so there are buttons, and it has a collar there. So this is one of my favorite shirts, and it's dark blue, and it's very light. It's not heavy, it's light. And here's another t-shirt. This t-shirt is old, but it is light blue. So I got this because it is light blue. So that's a light blue t-shirt, an old light blue t-shirt. And I even have blue underwear. So here's a pair of blue underwear. So I have many clothes here that are blue. I have blue underwear, a blue t-shirt, another blue short-sleeved shirt, a dark blue shirt, and many pairs of jeans that are blue. So I have many different clothes that are blue. So my favorite color is blue. I like light blue, but I especially like dark blue. And I have many things that are blue. I have a blue safety razor with a blue handle. My toothbrush has blue on it. This plastic mug that I use to hold pens and pencils is blue. This hard drive, this 1 gigabyte hard drive for my computer is blue. My earbuds that I use to listen to music and to talk on Skype or talk on the phone are blue. And this binder is blue. And this cleaning pad, this dishwashing pad is blue. And I have many clothes that are blue. So my favorite color is blue. Hi again, everyone. So in this video, I talked about colors, and I talked about my favorite colors. So one color I like is black. So I like black. For example, I have many black t-shirts like this one. But my favorite color, the one I like the most, my favorite color is blue. So my favorite color is blue. And there are different shades of blue. There is light blue and there is dark blue. So my favorite color is blue, but I especially like dark blue. So this is my favorite shade of blue, dark blue like this. So because my favorite color is blue, when I buy something, if they have it in blue, I will buy it in blue. So for example, this is a hard drive for my computer. It's an external hard drive. I plug it into my computer, and this hard drive, it holds 1 gigabyte, and when I bought it, it was available in 4 colors, 4 different colors. It was available in white like this. It was available in black like this. It was available in red like this, and it was available in blue like this. So of course I chose blue because my favorite color is blue. So I bought the hard drive like this that comes in blue, this one. So also I have many other blue things because again, I like blue. My favorite color is blue. For example, I bought this dish pad to wash dishes with. It is blue. So I use this, I can wash dishes with it. I can scrub dishes like this bowl with it. And using soap and water, I can use this to wash dishes. So this dish pad is blue. Another thing that's blue is this shower net sponge. This sponge that I bought, it's still new, it's in the package, but I can use this in the shower with water and soap. So I can scrub myself, or I could scrub myself with this shower net sponge, with this sponge. And I chose the blue sponge. So that's something else that is blue. Also, these earbuds, these are my earbuds. So I use them to listen to music or listen to videos on my computer or on my phone. So I plug it into my computer or plug it into my phone, and it is blue. So these are earbuds. It also has a microphone, so I can talk. I can make phone calls with it using my phone or using Skype or something like that on my computer. So this headset or these earbuds are blue. Also, things like this shaver, this safety razor. It has a blue handle. Actually, this one is almost all blue and some gray. So I use this to shave. And my toothbrush, this toothbrush I have, it is blue. There's some blue on the handle and some blue bristles. So this has a lot of blue on it. So I use this to brush my teeth. So that's my toothbrush. It has some blue. Also this binder that I have, this binder that I hold different papers with. This binder is blue. And this cup that I bought, this plastic cup, I don't drink from this cup. I use it to hold things, to hold different things that I can use to write with. For example, this pencil, this pen, this pen. So I use this plastic cup to hold pencils and pens, things that I write with. And it is blue. Also, I have many clothes that are blue. For example, this shirt. This is one of my favorite shirts, and it is blue. It's dark blue. You can see it has a collar. It has buttons on the front, so it buttons up on the front, and it has a pocket on the front, and it's very light. So this is one of my favorite shirts, and it is blue. It is dark blue. Also, I have many pairs of blue jeans. I have a blue t-shirt, a light blue t-shirt, light blue like this. And I even have pairs of blue underwear. So I have many clothes that are blue, and even the coat hangers that I hang the clothes on are blue. So I have many blue clothes and blue coat hangers to hold the clothes with. So my favorite color is blue. I have many blue things. And how about you? What is your favorite color? Is your favorite color red, or is your favorite color green, Or is your favorite color blue just like me? So leave me a comment and let me know, or type a comment and let me know what your favorite color is. What is your favorite color? Hi again, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please press or click on the like button, and please subscribe by pressing or clicking on the subscribe button, and press or click on the bell to see new videos like this one. And also please share the video with other people who you think might like it too.